12-4, box and whisker plots. You've done these many times before, so I'm going to start with the terms, and we're going to do it once longhand, and then we're going to do it in a graphing calculator again. It's another way to look at data, so that's why it's in this section. So we deal with quartiles with box and whisker plots. We divide the data into 4 equal parts, where the median is our second quartile, and we represent it with a Q2. My lower quartile is the median of the lower half, Q1. The upper quartile is the median of the upper half, Q3. And then we have lower extreme, our smallest or lowest number, and the upper extreme, our highest number. So if we have a set of data, 55, 53, 67, 52, 50, 49, 51, 52, and 52. First thing we want to do is put it into order. So my smallest number was 49. Then I had 50, 51. I had 3 52s, and a 53, a 55, and a 67. So once you have your numbers all in order, always double check the numbers you started with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A lot of times as I'm going through and writing them down, I will cross off the ones above to make sure I have them all there. Okay, so now I have to find my median. So again, starting from the outside going in, so 52 is my median. So then I would look to the left, and I find the median there. And it's halfway between 50 and 51, which would be 50.5. I can add the two numbers together and divide by 2, or it's halfway between. So then from 52, I look to the right, and I'm halfway between 53 and 55, which is 54. So then to actually do the graph, I have to put a number line. So I write all my numbers down in order. I did get lazy here. And dot, dot, dot until 67. Hope you can deal with that. So my lower extreme is 49, so I go up a little ways and I put a dot at 49. At 50.5, I'm going to put a line. At 52, I'm going to have my line, because that's my median. At 54 is my upper quartile, and those are the 3 lines that make my box. And then my 67 is my upper extreme. So come over here, put a dot at 67, and now I draw a line to the box, and I am done. My 52 is my median, and that is my quartile 2, quartile 3. My upper quartile is here at the top of the box. My lower quartile, quartile 1 is there. My lower extreme is here at 49, and my upper extreme is there at 67. And I have plotted my box whisker plot. So if I want to take that same set of data and put in my graphing calculator to find my box whisker plot, I always have to double check that my stat plot is on. So I go second, the y equals, stat plot, enter. I want it on. Remember how I had to switch it off of the box whisker last time? I now have to go down to the type and go across until I get to my box whisker plot and enter. So if I go to my graphing calculator, I can clear out this data. Go second, stat plot. My plot is on, but I hit my enter key so I can have my type and my choices. I go down. That was my scatter plot. If I go down again, it just takes me to line 1. So when I'm on the scatter plot, I have to use my right arrow to go over, and I want the box whisker that has the median in it. And again, I hit my enter. And now I want to get out of that, so I go second mode to get out of that. And now I want to change my window, because normally our window is from -10 to +10. But if we think about our data that we had, we were going from 49 up to 67. So I have to make it fit in here. So my X max, I want to be 45, X min 70, scale of 2, Y min 0, Y max 5, scale of 1 for my Y scale, and my X res, just 1 as always. So you find your window key, it's right under your screen, enter, and now I wanted that to be my 45, 70, 2, Y max or min was 0, 5, scale of 1, scale of 1. So again, I can go second mode, get out of there. And now I want to enter my data. So again, I go to Stat, Edit, Enter, and I clear all data. Stat, Edit, and I had that data from before, so I would need to clear it. So up arrow, clear, Enter. And now I can put in my data of 55, 53. We don't have to put it from smallest to largest. We just put the data in as we have it listed. So 55, enter, 53, 67, 52, 50, 49, 51, 52, 52. And then I can hit my graph key, and it graphs my box whisker plot. So I hit my graph key, and now I can hit my trace key, and what that will do is it will go to my median, and I can use my arrows to go left or right to find my quartile 1, my min X value, my quartile 3, and my max value. So I have my box whisker. I go to trace, enter, and it takes me right up to the median, and it tells you down here it's the median is 52. My left arrow will take me to Q1, quartile 1 is 50.5. Right arrow again would tell me the smallest number was 49. If I hit my right arrow 1, 2, 3 times, I'm up to quartile 3, and it was at 54. And then my upper extreme, max X, is 67. And I have my box whisker plot graphed, and I have all the data and information I need. And that ends 12.4 box whisker plots.